Introducing the Honor 200 Pro, the powerhouse of technology packed with incredible features that will take your smartphone experience to the next level. Let's dive into the key specs that make the Honor 200 Pro a game changer in the world of smartphones. First and foremost, the Honor 200 Pro comes equipped with a massive 12 GB of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and smooth performance. Combined with the Qualcomm Snapdragon IS Gen 3 processor, you can expect nothing less than exceptional speed and efficiency in every task you undertake. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the Honor 200 Pro's state-of-the-art cameras. The rear camera setup boasts a 50-MP primary lens and a 50-MP telephoto lens, providing you with unparalleled versatility and clarity in your photos. On the front, the 50-MP dual camera setup ensures that your selfies are nothing short of perfection. But that's not all. The Honor 200 Pro's 5200 mAh battery and super fast charging capabilities mean you can go all day without worrying about running out of power. With wireless charging and a quick charging time of just 30 minutes, convenience is at your fingertips. The stunning 78-inch OLED display with a resolution of 12 by 24 x 2700 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz delivers an immersive viewing experience that will leave you in awe. Whether you're gaming, the Honor 200 Pro's display will not disappoint. In terms of design, the Honor 200 Pro exudes elegance and sophistication with a sleek 8.2mm thickness. And weighing just 199 grams, this smartphone is as comfortable to hold as it is visually appealing. Choose from the timeless black or the vibrant ocean cyan color options to suit your style. The Honor 200 Pro also offers a generous 512 GB of internal storage, ensuring that you have ample space for all your photos, videos, and apps. And with features like dual SIM support, 5G compatibility, and Wi-Fi 6E, connectivity has never been more seamless. To top it off, the Honor 200 Pro comes with a range of sensors, including a fingerprint sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, and gyroscope, providing you with added security and convenience. With a launch date expected in July 2024, the Honor 200 Pro is set to redefine the smartphone experience. And with a price tag of 57,999 rupees, the Honor 200 Pro delivers exceptional value for the incredible features it offers. Experience the future of smartphones with the Honor 200 Pro, your gateway to unparalleled performance, superior photography, and cutting-edge technology.